Programming language AI is no longer the future. It's happening right now. And today I'll show you the newest cloud AI technologies that are transforming the way we work, build and innovate. Welcome back to my channel, where we break down tech trends into simple and powerful insights. If you are ready to stay ahead in 2026, hit that subscribe button because today's topic could change your career. Highlight platform offering AI-driven automation like resource scaling, predictive analytics. As an example, imagine a cloud that doesn't just store your data, it predicts what you will need next. AI coding assistants integrated into cloud IDEs. Developers can now write, debug, and deploy faster with AI copilots built right into the cloud. Real world use cases like healthcare as a AI diagnostics in the cloud, finance as a fraud detection, and education as a personalized learning. These are not just buzzwords. Companies are already saving millions by adopting cloud AI. We are moving toward a world where cloud AI isn't optional. It's the backbone of innovation. Whether you are a student, developer, or entrepreneur, understand these tools is your ticket to stay relevant. Which cloud AI technology excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read everyone. And if you found this valuable, share it with a friend who needs to know where tech is heading.